Hello, today's topic? At the museum.
Isn't it impressive?
Yes, it's stunning. I'm excited to explore.
There's so much to see here. Where should we start?
Let's begin with the ancient history exhibit.
Good idea. I've always been fascinated by ancient civilizations.
Me too. It's incredible how advanced they were.
Exactly. Look at these artifacts. They're thousands of years old.
It's like stepping back in time.
Indeed. Shall we move on to the natural history section?
Yes, I'd love to see the dinosaur fossils.
They're right this way. Follow me.
Wow, these fossils are enormous.
Yes, dinosaurs were truly giants of the past.
Imagine roaming the earth alongside them.
Mind-boggling, isn't it?
Absolutely. Let's not forget to visit the science and technology wing.
Of course. I'm curious about the innovations on display.
Look at these inventions. They've shaped our modern world.
Incredible how far we've come.
Indeed. Now let's head to the art gallery.
I love admiring paintings and sculptures.
Me too. The creativity of artists is inspiring.
Absolutely. Each piece tells a unique story.
I could spend hours here lost in thought.
Same here. The museum is like a journey through time and creativity.
Agreed. It's a testament to human achievement.
Let's make the most of our visit and explore every corner.
Absolutely. Let's dive into the wonders of the museum.
Vocabulary.
Impressive. Ancient. Civilization. Fascinated. Incredible. Artifact. Dinosaur. Fossil. Enormous. Giant. Roaming. Earth. Science. Technology. Innovation. Invention. Modern. Admiring. Creativity. Inspiring.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.